Welcome to LegoLand Florida, my first trip in 2020. I am here today for, as you saw, the Ninjago Days. But first, quick look at the LegoLand Pirate Island Hotel, which, as you can see, is going very quickly. You might remember my earlier updates of this hotel. It looks like it's pretty much done on the outside. It's opening in just a few months. So let's get inside and check out Ninjago Days. So, Ninjago Days. I don't know what I just said before. As soon as you walk in, you see Master Wu's Dojo. Meet and greets, shopping, there's a little store in there, and candy sushi. I believe that is at the coffee shop, being that's the only thing open in there at this point. And here is the coffee shop. Now you might remember there used to be more food options over there, but they still haven't figured out what they're going to do with that part of the building. If you would like to try my cookies, they have them for sale here. And here is the candy sushi. Here's the very small shop that they set up temporarily with Ninjago things. Bags and some other, well, mostly it's Ninjago stuff, as you expect. $5.99 for these keychains. $16.99 for this set. Now don't forget, if you're an annual pass holder, which you should be if you live anywhere near here, or if you come more than once a year, there is a discount. $16.99 right here. Now let's go back out and check out what else is new in Ninjago Days. That is, of course, after we check out this meet and greet photo op. Let's take a look at the first Lego build you see as you're walking in. Here are all the bricks. Those segments will be brought over here and then assembled by this master builder right here. As you can see, there's already a good start. Here's the other table for building. Aha, the guys are back.
Alright, so on 3 we're going to do this. Ready? We charge up the fire and then we let it out. Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3!
Whoa, that's fire.
That's pretty hot.
Good job, bud.
Yes, you think you'd be better at coordination with the ninja. Here, one more time. No? It's any third time to try.
Well, I think it is time for me to pick up my annual pass holder swag. Now it's not just a pop badge, there's a headband as well. Interesting. Here's a quick look at the wait times and other things. LegoLand recently opened the Florida prepaid schoolhouse. I don't know what they're talking about. I'm not planning on growing up. So it's just an indoor play area in here, basically, which existed before, but it didn't have a sponsorship, or had a different one. And there's the Big Apple. Over here, Ninja Climb. All kinds of ways to pay, including Apple Pay, which is pretty cool. This is one of those games that look fairly easy, but no. Of course, we have to go into the Ninjago area. Over here is the Ninja Kitchen food truck. And this is a look at the menu. I'm going to try to have something on this menu, but I really don't like Chinese food. I'm more of a Japanese food kind of guy, or at least Americanized Japanese. I don't know, I've never tried real Japanese food. Sure, it's good, I just haven't tried it. Here's one of the places where you can get the Sensei snack mix. Hope I said that correctly. And here they are. $4. Unless you have an annual pass, then it's even less. While supplies last. Here's what you get in that little box. Alright, next on the list to check out is the yoga class.
Welcome to Ninjago. In order to unleash your inner ninja, we all must train our bodies, minds, and spirits. Oh, great job, everyone. What do you think, Masterpiece?
I think everybody did good. Let's
pass?
Snap this time. Let's snap for everyone. Good job. Good job. All right, guys. So I think that you are ready for lesson 2. What do you think?
Down to the center and bow. Thank you guys so much for joining us for Ninjago today. Great job.
Don't forget to practice your lessons.
Awesome. Had so much fun today. Thanks so much for joining us.
Over here we have Ninja Hang, which actually looks, it's a lot more difficult than it looks. See how this guy does. Oops. Looks like he's done. Quick update to LegoLand's Miniland. The Star Wars area has recently been removed. Thought it was a permanent area, but maybe something new is coming. Guess that's a bummer for those who like Star Wars, not me. But it is a large area with very little left in it for now. Once again, we have a scavenger hunt. There's Where's Woo scavenger hunt. There's a lot of things about Woo, but you know who I haven't seen yet? Wu-Tang. So this is what you're looking for in Miniland. They're fairly easy to find, but I'm not going to show you because it'll give it away. You gotta come and try it yourself. And of course, more build competitions. Right now, looking pretty early on in the competition. Lots of just piles of Legos, but some cool things coming together here. Of course, I'll be back for the Pirate Fest weekend, which is not coincidentally the same weekend that the new Pirate Island Hotel opens, which you saw in the beginning of the video. Over by the Funtown Theater, where you can see Ninjago, the master of the 4th dimension. There are also special meet and greets over here, which tie into Ninjago. Right here.
The ninjas you see today are elemental masters, here to demonstrate the power of earth, lightning, ice, water, and fire. one has mastered all 5 of the elements, that ninja holds the ultimate power of energy and becomes an elemental master. Elemental powers of Earth. Lightning. Ice. Water. Fire. And energy.
Back at the Kitchen Company, to mispronounce another word, I'm going to try the strawberry katana egg roll. I'm sure I didn't get the katana part right, but it is strawberry cheesecake egg roll topped with powdered sugar. And that is $8. And you get 2 per order. And again, if you're a Daniel Pass holder, it's less. How much less? It's $7.20 instead of $8. And I confess this is the first egg roll of any kind I've had anywhere before, so this is going to be interesting.
No, sir.
Certainly not a traditional one, which is pretty cool. Actually, they're really good. I'm glad I tried them. Candy sushi time, and as you can see, it's $5, but with the annual pass discount, $4.50. But $5 is pretty good. Cheaper than the egg roll, that's for sure. Okay, napkins, forks, spoons. I guess these are the chopsticks. Actually, it's pretty good. I guess it's a variation of their worms and dirt. And this, of course, chocolate. Oh, and also, you might have figured this out, but I was kidding. This is a coffee stirrer. Definitely recommend this item. Still looking around for Dr. Wu. So I decided to go with the pork pot stickers. I'm not used to saying these names. And the chicken wings, which are not really chicken wings, they're chicken thighs. And of course water because, well, soda gives me cavities, honestly. That's, well, it's pretty good. I compare it to the previous times I've had pot stickers, but I never have, so. And these are a little spicy, not much, but I wasn't really expecting spicy. So these are good too, and I'm glad that they're thighs and not wings, because I'm not really a fan of wings.
Right here, turn around. Strike a pose.
Alright. Good job, guys. Enjoy your birthday. You got a karate chop? Chop, chop.
Chops ready?
Yeah. Boom. There you go. Bam. Nice. Double chop.
Nice. Here's a look at the build for the day. Got pretty far today. Still have several more weekends of Ninjago Days. So they're going to finish a little bit early apparently. Again, my next visit here will be in April for not just the Pirate Fest weekends, but the new hotel. Let's take another look at that as we exit here. That is my coverage of the first day of Ninjago Days. I actually got here about an hour after the park opened, and it's just about to close in about 15 minutes. So there is definitely a lot to do and see here just for the Ninjago Days alone. And I didn't even have time to go on a ride. So if you think that's only a couple of things, like a few videos I saw, it is not. It's there's a lot going on here, as there are for other fests. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. And as promised, let's take a look at the upcoming hotel. And it's right next to the LegoLand Hotel.